Hi guys! So welcome back to our channel, Unkahon. So today we're going to unbox and review this active stylus pen. I got this from Shopee at 762 pesos. So this one is the E3 model. Ito yung manual niya. So, ang charging time daw nito ay 2 hours and ang working time is more than 15 hours. So, this is the stylus pen. I got the color black. This is the on button. So you have to press this button to turn it off. Ito yung charger niya. May kasama siyang dalawang fine point tip and a palm rejection glove. Now, let's try kung mag-work siya mamaya. Ito yung charging port niya. Ito yung sample. I actually bought this for my son. Para pag magdodrawing siya, hindi na puro kamay lang. This one is pag merong suot na palm rejection na glove. Medyo may slight delay siya. This is how it works pag wala siyang gloves. Medyo sluggish at hindi siya nag-register. May mga broken lines. Not sure kung merong effect yung tempered glass o much better na wala siyang kahit na anong screen protector. Kung hindi kayo gagamit ng gloves na kasama, much better na medyo nakaangat yung kamay nyo. Since hindi siya masyadong nagre-register dun sa tablet, sabi sa manual, ang suggestion nila is take off the palm tips and choose the metal tips to write. Let's see if it will work sa Windows tablet. So much better siya nung tinanggal ko yung palm fine point tip. Hindi ko na na-video kung paano ko siya tinanggal. But this is the outcome nung tinanggal ko siya. Feeling ko parang may certain angle lang siya na nagwo-work. So may times na nagwo-work yung glove, may times din na hindi. So this works on Android and Windows device. Not sure sa Apple, pero I think it's working naman since this is universal. Sabi nung seller. So my final thoughts for this product, meron siyang slight delay and yung gloves niya hindi laging nag-work. Parang may times na okay, may times na hindi. Tapos may certain angle na nag-work siya, yung stylus. Not sure kung dahil dun sa tempered glass. And it also automatically turns off every 30 minutes. If I were to rate it, I'd rate it 3 out of 5. So that's it. See you guys next time for another episode of Unbox and Review. Bye!